recording. Okay, I think I'm going to record the lesson. Okay, so first, welcome everybody. So what I intend to do after today is I say I'm going to do some tutorial question. Usually the second lesson I will do some tutorial lesson there. Anyway, I finished first chapter with you already, right? So what are the things you need to do? As I mentioned that. Okay, so this week you have to do the SQL MCQ. So normally, if you think your answer is correct and then the system mark you wrong, let me know. I'll try to correct for you. And then the next quiz will be week 5. For tutorial question, is tutorial question 6 to 10, right? 6 to 10, I will try to cover 3 questions for you, and then you have to do the remaining 2 questions, then submit to my iChat account. Okay, so this is what I intend to do because in this tutorial will be quite long-winded. Okay, so if you look at the notes, this question 6. Okay, question 6 note there. I think maybe let's look at the first. You try not to do too many things at one go. Try to do the one line at a time. Okay, so that is easier to handle. Even though this question is quite short, right? Okay. So, then this is a pilot here. Pilot entering a bay on a course at 60 degrees. So this is let's see, use cut. Okay, pilot entered a course 60 degrees at a speed of 12 knots. Okay, speed of 12 knots. Okay, so let's try to draw the picture. First, the pilot, I think let's say beginning at point A here. So this point A here, pilot setting here. So it's entering a course 60 degree. 60 degree here. So this 60 degree here. So let me write 60 degrees somewhere here. Okay. At the 12 knot, 12 knot is the speed, how fast it moves, right? 12 knots, so 12 knots here. Afterward, I'll do something about this. This speed, no distance. You see a light bearing 37 degree. Okay, so you see a light bearing 20 degree. Light 37 degree. Okay, so you have to draw another one somewhere. There's a light somewhere there, 37 degree. So you get, let's say, 37 degree here. This time 37 degree. So there's a point B here. This is where the light is. And 20 minutes later, you see at 20 degree. Okay, you see the light at 20 degrees. So the information, 20 minutes later, you see the light bearing at 20 degrees. So where is 20 degree? Okay, 20 degree, if you, I think you know that 20 degrees actually is, okay, north, and 20 is actually 90 here. So 20 is somewhere here. Okay, so that means that I can actually move it further away. I want to see 20 degrees. So, okay, let me redraw it because I need space. So I'll redraw it here because I need space now at 20 degrees. So I can draw away. Draw the B here, I think further away. So this is B somewhere. And then it's 20 degree. So this is actually quite 20 degree. Let's say I want to here get 20 degrees, right? So I don't want to get a big graph. So I think this is good enough. This is direction of pirate moving in 60 degrees. And then I say this is point C here. And then you see the light. Okay, so light is actually at point B. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think this one thing here, and then this is called point C here, 20 degree here. This is 20 degree now. Okay, so okay, this is 20 minutes later, right? 20 minutes later. Let's say this point, let me see what my notation so that I can get this one. So I want to get, I call this thing point C here. Okay, I try to label so that it tally with my graph here. So I work out the answer because this thing is actually point B here. The light. Okay, I think it's here. So I don't want to. Okay, this is the light here. The light is here. And then this point is C 20 minutes later. So this is the picture. It looks like something like this. So if you want to draw it, label ABC, doesn't matter how you label it, but be consistent to the side here. So let's see what I have done here. I have a yellow one, this one, and then I have a green one, green line, this one, and I have a blue one, this one, right? Actually, blue one is actually this one. They show you direction because when you try to construct it, sometimes you have to show the diagram a bit here so that you get a true picture. Okay, what else you know? Okay, this is actually C is 20 minutes later, right? C is 20 minutes later. So what is actually AC first? Okay, C is the one, you see the light 20 minutes later, and then the bearing is 20 degrees. So C, the distance, AC is speed, right? Time. So the speed is 12 knots. Okay, the speed is 12 knots. Time is 10 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, sorry, 20 minutes of 1 hour. Okay, 20 minutes or 1 hour. So if you set the calculator, and then you find that this is 4 nautical miles. Okay, the speed is 12 knots, and then AC is distance. Okay, distance AC here. Then you know that okay, this is 4 nautical miles, so I can put it down as 4 nautical miles. Okay, so where B is the lighthouse, lighthouse, so B is lighthouse here. So B is lighthouse here or lighthouse. This is actually quite a difficult question in many sense because it don't ask you question one at a time. It asks you actually when will he be nearest to the lighthouse and how near? Okay, when will he be nearest to the lighthouse? How near? So before I answer this question, okay, I'm going to just solve all the angle inside the triangle first before I answer the question, right? Because there are so many things you don't know, so you must answer. Okay, so let's try simple one first. What is angle A? Angle A is 60 degree minus 37 degree first, right? So this is the angle A. So you press the calculator, 60 minus 37, and then you get 23. Right? So angle A is 23. Okay. What else do you know? What is angle C? Can you find? So I need space right now because I think not enough space. So angle C. So angle C, you have to look at two sides, two and three angles add together. So this thing is 60 here. Okay, 60 from the parallel line. So this is 60 here, parallel line. So that means that this is angle C. That means this is 30. And then because this is 20 here, so this is actually 70. Right? So altogether angle C is, sorry, it's not. So angle C actually, this one actually quite that's a 90 first. Okay, sorry, so I think I made mistake here. Okay, this is a north. Okay, I mean this is a north here. So angle C, there are three angles first. One of them is the 30 degree. You can see from it there, 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree first. Then plus 90 degree. Plus the 20 degree. That's angle C. Okay, so there are three angles there. One of them is 30 degree. 30 degree from 90 minus 60, you get 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. You can see from the picture I show you here. Let me write down 30 degree, right? So that this is that can look like this. Then plus a 90 degree from north to west, right? From north to west is 90 degree. Then another bearing 20 degree. So if you look at angle C, this is actually equal to, so 30 plus 90 plus 20 all together is 140. Okay, so this thing angle C is 140. Therefore, you know how to find angle B now. So angle B is 180 minus 140 minus 23. Okay, so you can find angle B in this way. So 180 minus 140 minus 23, and then you get 17. Okay, so I know this angle is 17 now. Okay, the angle C is altogether 140. Okay, so I may need to redraw the diagram. So this is a good picture to delve on. Okay, then I'm going to transfer the information into the other diagram. Okay, so this is a picture. Anyway, this video is recorded. I hope it works. Okay, then I'm going to go to the next page here. I'm going to copy this thing and then make the diagram more simple. Okay, so let me copy this thing here. So house. Okay, copy this thing to the next page here. Okay, next page here. Insert new page first. Okay, so I need to copy the question so that you know what the question all about here. Okay, copy the question. Okay, then withdraw it. Okay, there are so many information that I want to simplify the triangle now. So I want to erase the angle B, the C here, so that I know this angle is actually 140 now. So I don't need to figure out all these things. So this is 140 now. We have found out earlier. So this whole thing is actually 140 now. So angle C is 140. Scalar now. So help me to figure out the triangle. Okay, so this is 140. Okay, this is a 23, right? I think the earlier one is 23, right? So I'm gonna angle A is 23 now. I just make sure that I correct layout. So this is 23 now. So this is 23. All right. So the triangle there. So what do you need to know? Okay, so I know this 4 nautical mile for okay, so what do I need now? So I want to find the question is when will the nearest point to lighthouse and how near? This is a difficult question because they didn't ask you directly and there are so many things you still don't know. All right, so okay, so when does it happen to get nearest? So this lighthouse, the pilot actually from A to C and continue the same flight, right? So, and same to C, they can find that the nearest point is when this is nearest point. To the lighthouse. So pirate fly across this way to lighthouse to B, right? Okay. So I need to figure out quite a few things. Okay. One of them is can I find out BC? BC can I find out? Yes. AC I know is 4 nautical miles, and then okay, so let me see, maybe I can find AB first. Okay, AB first. The distance between the, because I know I can find AB using the AB over 140, and okay, I can find AB first. Okay, let's find AB first. Okay, AB. Although the question they asked about this, I think I try to, a lot of things to do know. So I try to find out AB first. So AB is actually, based on diagram, is AB is actually C, right? So AB is C here. And then AC is actually B, 4 nautical miles. So I can use C over sine of angle C is equal to B over sine of angle B. Okay, so that will give me C over sine 140. Okay, angle C is 140. Okay. Right, angle C, correct, right? Let's check again, 140, correct? Okay, 140, right? It's correct here, yes, correct. So B is equal to, the side B I'm going to find is 4. Angle B is sine 17. So you can find out what is side C now is 4 times sine 140 over sine 17. Okay, then press calculator to find this. So you get 4 times sine of 140 degree, then divided by sine 17. So sine 17 8.79. Okay, 8.79 nautical mile. So that means that this is 8.79. So I know this 8.79 now, so I can put it down here. What happened? You can write here. 8.79, 8.8 lah. Okay, nautical miles. This is how far away the lighthouse from the pilot in the beginning. Okay, so I need to know, okay, so I need to know how far, how near lighthouse to the pilot, right? So I need to find another one. Is what is CB now? Okay, what is CB? So can you use a cosine rule or sine rule? Okay, because I know, yeah, I can find CB now, right? So you say cosine rule now. So I'm going to take this picture and then cross out to you first before I find CB. So one thing at a time, because I want to answer the question, but the answer is not very direct because I had to find a few things before you can find how near is the lighthouse. Okay, so I want to copy this diagram again, then go to another slide here. So I copy this diagram. I didn't copy first, whole page. Okay, just now I have, sorry, go back to earlier page. I should select page only, copy here, because I don't want to write too many things here. So copy page, then I put here. Okay, page here. So another find another thing is CB now. So I want to find CB. So I need erase this one. Okay, I want to find CB now. So find CB. Okay, so CB is, what, how to find CB? You can actually do the sine law. Let me see. Okay, sine law, right? So CB over sine 23, and then okay, then 4. Okay, same. I think I can use a sine law. Let's try. So CB is actually the side A. Okay, CB actually is the side A here. So okay, A over sine angle A. Okay, I now see already. So okay, use A again, right? So B over sine angle B. Up to you. You can try. So I use this method here. So A is equal to, so I can write down here. So this is A over sine angle A is 23 degree, and then B is 4 sine B. Right? Sine B is actually, sorry, sine B is 17. So A is equal to 4 times sine 23 degree. Okay, sine 17. So you press the calculator to find out what is this thing. 4 times sine 23 degree divided by sine 17 degree. Okay, it's 5.34. So this is 5.35. 21. So 5.35. Nothing come out. So this is 5.35. Okay, so this is an important result before you can answer the question. Okay, now I can answer the question now. Okay, so what you need now is, what is actually this angle? Do you know? Okay, this angle is 180 minus 140, right? The angle is actually, you find the angle C there, right? Angle C there is 140 degree. So left with this angle is actually 180 minus 140, which is the angle C here, is 40 degree. Okay, so this angle is 40 degree because this will help you to find out what is the nearer distance. Which one? Nearer distance to the lighthouse, right? How, when will be nearer distance? What you are looking for is this one now. Nearer distance to the White House is to the pirate here, is this one. The pirate continue to move straight forward, and the nearest distance from the pirate is this particular distance, right? So in the now let's try to answer the question. Well, how can what kind of triangle you get now. So let me copy the question again. Let's answer the first part first. Let me edit, copy page here, and then copy page. Okay, so I'm on this page now. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I found out A really this important. So because I know A, I can draw right angle triangle now. So select now. So the nearest distance is actually the one I highlight in yellow now. So nearest distance to a pirate now. Nearest distance. Okay, what can I do? Okay, I can use the what now? I can use the sine or cosine, right? I think I can use the sine. Okay, this one I'm going to do sine here. So sine 40 degree. Okay, sine of 40 degree is equal to B. I mean, whatever this one has got, let's call BD here. BD. BD over 5.358. Okay, BD over 5.35. So you get BD is equal to 5.35 sine 40 degree. So let's check the calculator. So 5.35 times sine 40 degree and it's 3.344, right? I mean 3.438. So you consider a 3.44 nautical mile. Okay, so the nearest distance to the pirate is 3.44 nautical miles. Okay, so when are we nearest distance? Okay, and how near? Okay, when there's a two things, no? One of them is when is the nearest distance. So that look at the correct picture, answer the thing, right? I have answered this one. How near? And do you know when did this happen? Okay, when this happened? Oh, then I need to find some more. Okay, so I know I need to find the distance CD. Okay, so when did it happen? Okay, so I need to find distance CD, right? So how long it take? Because from here to here, it got how many minutes? From A to C, you get 20 minutes, all right? From C lighthouse, then after 20 minutes, you see the, so this one got 20 minutes here. Then from C to D, how long it take? How many minutes here? So then we can find out the when it happened. Okay, so I need another slide to show you this. Let me take a picture first so that you know how complicated is the problem, how they actually turn the question around with so many turns to answer the question. That's why I cannot talk about too many examples here, how many solutions there. So I'm going to answer the question now, okay? So I'm going to select the page again because select page, right? Copy page again. And then go to another page. Alright, I want to find when, okay? So I find out the nearest distance already. So this is 3.44. So this is 3.44. I can write down it because I may need them. So this is 3.44. Okay, so I then put in the rest I put aside now. Okay, I need to find how long it takes from C to D. Okay, so I can use a triangle again. How to find CD? First, find CD first. Distance CD first. Okay, so how to find distance CD? I can use the cosine, right? Okay, cosine of 40 degree. Okay, cosine of 40 degree is CD over A, right? Cosine of 40 degree, because this one I find the angle is 40 degree now. So this is 40 degree, right? So I don't need this one, too many things. So I try to get rid of so many things here. Okay, cosine of 40 degree is CD over A, because right angle triangle. So CD I don't know. A we find out earlier is 5.35. So CD is actually 5.35 times cosine 40. So you calculate this one, okay? 5.35 times cosine 40 is 4.10, okay? 4.098. So you can consider 4.1 nautical miles. Okay? So 4.1 nautical miles. So how long it take the speed of the pirate? Okay, the speed of pirate is 12 knots. Okay, 12 nautical miles per hour. So time taken from CD. Okay, time taken. So how to find the time? So speed is equal to distance over time. Right? So distance is 4.1. Time I don't know. The speed is equal to 12 nautical miles per hour. So from here, you can find that the time is equal to 4.1 over 12. So how many minutes is that? So 4.1 divided by 12 is 0.341 hour. Okay, so time equal to 0.341 hour. You times 60 minutes there. So times 60 minutes, 1 hour 60 minutes, right? So this is actually 20.5 minutes. Okay, so you find that this cover distance speed here is 20.5 minutes here. So the time is actually, we find out that this is 20.5 minutes here. Okay, so that means how to answer the question, when is after it passed 10 minutes already, another 20.5 minutes. Okay, so another 20.5 minutes after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, right? So another 20 minutes, 20.5 minutes. So answer this one. Okay, another 20.5 minutes. So this answer part A. Let's see the answer part A alone takes so long to answer. All right, so these are very hard questions to put them together. So this answer part A, because this exercise is difficult, that's why I make a recording. Hopefully it works here. Okay, so this answer part A, you really answer how near is a plane to lighthouse, and then when it happened. Okay, part B. There's a mistake in the question because I try many times cannot get answer. Now I figure out the answer. Why is it mistake there? Because there's a change of unit here. The second question, part B, is actually not mouse. This is nautical mouse. Okay, then I can get a correct answer. Okay, so second question, when will 11 nautical miles from the, when will he be pirate? He prefer pirate, right? When will he be running 11 nautical miles from the lighthouse? Okay, this one really you have to draw a big picture to get this 11 nautical miles. Where is it? Okay, so at the moment the distance is 3.44 nearest, right? I want to be 11 nautical miles from the lighthouse. So I'm going to draw this picture again to the next one. So I will copy this one, okay? I did copy here. Then copy again. So I'm going to insert this one. So I'm going to see how to do this. So I want to find when are we 11 nautical miles from the lighthouse. Okay, I need to cancel all these things now. So this thing I can cancel. Okay, so I need to shrink the picture now because I want to be 11. So picture. So this picture I want to make it smaller now. So you know that you cannot contain so many things. So 11 nautical miles. Okay, shrink the picture here. So I want to shrink the picture so that you can see the whole picture here. Then after what? So the pirate continue to move, same direction. So I want to find out when the lighthouse is 11 nautical miles. So this must be quite far away here. So that this distance is 11 nautical miles from the pirate. Okay, pirate over here. So I want the distance to be 11 nautical miles from the pirate here. So then I need to do a few things. Okay, what is the distance? Because this is 90 degrees, right? We know this is 90 degrees here. So let's say this distance is E now. This E now is here now. This is a point E, right? So B is here. This ACD all here now. So how to find this? When? The question is when. Okay, the question is not. They tell you is distance is 11 only. So the question is when. So I know that this one is actually 20 minutes. It's 20.5 minutes, right? So I need to find another distance. What's the time taken? So you can use right angle triangle, okay, because this is right angle triangle. So I know what is this distance, say DE. I know DE, right angle triangle now. Okay, I use right angle triangle, right? So DE, if you square it plus BD, you square it, is equal to BE square, right? This is a right angle triangle. That means that, okay, I don't know what is DE. You're supposed to find out plus BD is 3.44 and BE is 11. So DE is equal to square is 11 square minus 3.44, right? Okay, so let me see what is this thing now. 11 square minus 3.44 square. Okay, so square it now. So 109. So take the square root now. Take the square root of this answer, 10.44. So it's 10.45 lah. Okay, so how long it take now? The speed is 12. So time, again, you use the speed equal to distance over time. Say time we don't know, right? So speed is 12. Distance is 10.45. So that will give you time equal to 10.45 over 12. Okay, 10.45 over 12. Let's see what is this thing. So 10.45 divided by 12. Okay, then you find out it is 0.87. 0.87 hours. Okay, 0.87 hour, you times 60, how many minutes there? Is 52 minutes. So this time taken is 52 minutes now. Okay, if I don't make mistake, it's 52 minutes. Okay, so when it happens, so I take a picture first, total time, before I answer the question. So time is very fast. So total time it taken is actually how many minutes here? Total time is actually 20 plus 20.5 plus 52, right? So you can get together 20 plus 20.5 plus 52. You get how much that? I think I got something wrong. And make miss. Okay, 92. Do you got mistake somewhere here? 10.45 over 12. Let me check. 10.45 divided by 12. Okay, 0.87 here, correct? Then 60. Okay, 52.25, yeah, correct. 52 minutes. So all together, okay, 20 minutes plus 20.5 minutes, and then plus 52 minutes. So all together is actually plus 20 plus 20.5. Okay, 92.75. Minute here. So if you turn the hour, okay, 92 divided by 60, okay, 92 divided by 60 minutes, right? So this is 1.53. Okay, 1.53 hours. So it's 1 hour, 0.53 is how much? 12.53 times 60. Okay, so you get 31 minutes. So 1 hour, 31 minutes. Later, okay, 1 hour, 31 minutes for the time. Okay, so let's look at answer. What does it say? I don't know, I off a little bit here. The answer say 1 hour, 12 minutes, okay, from our second observation. So, okay, I'm correct lah. 12 minutes from the second observation. So, why is it I'm correct here? Because I find the total time. So, if you take away the 20 minutes here, so that means this is actually 1 hour 31 minus 20, you get 12, right? 11, okay? 11 minutes from C onwards, all right? I show you the total time, but actually the answer give you say is after you go C already, so it's just what minus 20, okay, so minus 20 here, so minus 20, then you get 1 hour 11 minutes from C, all right? So this is the answer for question 6. So I WhatsApp to you this diagram because you may want to see how I do this question, the long question here. Okay, so this is a long question and difficult question. All right, so I know next one I'm going to show you another simple question. This is a simple question now. So let me go to the question 7 now and work out all these things, and my answer will be different every time I do this one. Okay, so this is a quick one. Afterward, then I stop and mark attendance, and then you have to do the rest on your own really. Okay, so a ship steering a course of 180 at 17 knots, running a current of 050 and 4 knots. Find the speed and course made good. So let's try to finish the question here. So steering at 180, 17 knots. That is where the ship going. So if you draw direction, so 180 is of course down south, right? So north here, 90, 180. Okay, so the ship actually goes south. Direction is south is actually 17 knots. The speed is 17 here. So this is the direction. And then if you want the current, 050, 4 knots. So where is 050 actually? You draw this one. Okay. 050 is this one. Not right. 50, 4 knots. So basically, the current is actually going to here. Okay, so this one is, let's say here is, let's say this is A here, this B here, carry the current 50 knot, 50 degree, 4 knots. So what is the speed and the final current? So you join here. Remember, when you join the arrow, you always the arrowhead join the tail. Okay, so this is the arrowhead here. So this arrowhead here, go direction this way. Then join the tail of another arrow. Okay, so I join the tail of another arrow. So this 50 here. So finally, you can join from A to C now. So this is point C here. Okay, so I can find the things is find the speed first. Okay, find the speed. Can I find the speed here? I know for 17 and 14, so AC, you can find the speed here. Length of AC is the speed here. Final speed, right? Because the current, okay, it actually slow the speed of the ship now because the current is almost in the opposite direction, right? Almost in the opposite direction. So the speed. So how do you find this one? How to find the AC here? So you can do AC in this case is the angle B, right? This is B here. This is actually A. This is actually C. Okay, so you have two sides and one B, one side. No two sides and the angle in between there. You can use a cosine rule. So you can see that, all right, B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine B. So you can put down A is 4 now, 4 square, C is 17 now, 17 square, minus 2 times 4 times 17 times cosine the angle B we know is 50. So then you do a calculation. What is B square now? So check now answer. So 4 square is 4 square plus 17 square minus 2 times 4 times, okay, 2 times 4 times 17 times cosine 50. So cosine of 50 there. So 50. So then it'll give me 217.65 and 217.58. So I know what is B now. So take the square root of B, square root of B squared, so square root of B here, then 14.75. So 14.8 lah. So B equal to 14.8 now. So this is how the speed of the ship reduced from 17 to 14.8 because of the current. All right, then I need to find out what is the cosmic good. So I need another picture to show you what is the cosmic good there. Okay, so let me take the picture of this thing. So I need to copy the diagram again so that you can see more clearer. I don't get too many things. Okay, insert the pictures. So let me copy this thing. Edit, select page, edit, copy page here. So this is the same problem. Okay, and now I want to find a cosmic good here. So this is the question. So let me erase all these things. So just now I find the speed. I find that the speed is 14.8 there. So this is 14.8 now. Just use it. So whenever you find some information, put it down and use it. You may use it, may not use it. So now I want to find the cosmic good here. What does the meaning of cosmic good here? The cosmic good is actually what is the new direction of the ship now? Okay, the new direction of the ship is actually this one. Okay, what is the cosmic good? Okay, cosmic good. CMG. Okay, so then I can use this one to find out what is this angle first. So this angle is A, right? What is this A? Okay, if I know which angle A, what I can do this, alright? So I can use a sine law to help me. So A over sine A, okay, A over sine A to B over sine B. Okay, so A is 4, sine A I don't know. Okay, B is 14.8, angle B is 50. So I get sine A equal to 4 times sine 50 over 14.8. So let's try to figure out here. This 4 times sine 50 over 14.8, 0.027, 0.207. Then you can find what is A now, inverse, right? So you get sine inverse first, sine answer. Okay, so inverse sine, shift inverse, okay, sine answer. (11.94) means 12 degree. So if you know that it is 12 degree, what is a bearing now? So new bearing is in this case, or the cosmic good lah. So I put there cosmic good here. Cosmic good here. In this case, I use a red color here. Cosmic good. Okay. CMG is equal to 180 minus 12 degree. Okay. I think 180 minus 12 degree is 180 minus 12. Get 168. Okay, so this is how you answer question 7. Okay, so I show you how to do question 6 and question 7, right? And the rest, I think you need to do yourself really, okay? Because there's not enough time. So question 8, question 4 I do for you only. Go question 8 you have to do for yourself. Same question 9 and 10. So let me read. Let me say, so this time you have more work now because I only managed to show you 2 questions. So you have to do question 8, 9, 10. Okay, submit to me, right? To my iChat account, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10 submit to me. So where is the email address? Just to let you know. I think we have somewhere email address there. Because I have where is it? Okay, my email address, just in case you don't know, is small letter QUEK WEICHING at iChat, okay, .sp.edu.sg, right? And then make sure that you have your class DNS either 2A01 or O2 depend on your class. Okay, DNS O1 or O2 depend on your class, and then your admin number. Okay, and then also your name. And then this time it's $1B, right? Just now earlier one was 1A, so this is 1B now. And 3 questions. Basically is 7 or 8, 9, 10. Okay, basically it's actually question 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are the questions. So then I can mark attendance now. So I take some time to mark attendance so that, okay, let's try the mark attendance first. Then I can get this one. I don't like this because the system always, after a while, lock me out in the mark attendance now. Okay, let's see. Okay, good. Okay, now I can mark attendance. Attendance checking. Okay, this time search first. Okay, DNS 2801 tutorial now. So let's look at DNS 2801 first. Weapon. Let me go back again. Search first. Control minus. Something is wrong. No response. Let me try again. In menu, attendance checking, class attendance, search. Tutorial. Okay, good. Now I show tutorial 1. 30 to over already. Okay, let me share the screen so I can also start recording over. So, okay, let me see, start recording. Okay, I'm attendant, okay.